This episode is brought to you by King of Beards. This is my online shop where you can find high quality products that will help you grow a strong, healthy beard that not only looks great, but also will smell great as well. Definitely the people in your life that like to get up and close with you are gonna thank you for this one. These are products that I use personally. The link is below in the video description section, and if you use my coupon code KING, you'll get 15% off on your first order. Ever heard the name Andrew Tate before? Yeah, at this point it sounds like a strange question because everybody knows his name. Nowadays he's more popular than the Kardashians, more popular than Trump, more popular than Elon Musk. Andrew Tate, he's definitely a controversial figure. He's a British-American kickboxer and internet personality. He's definitely known for his views on various topics like women, religion, culture, media. He's also a commentator and part owner of Real Extreme Fighting, which is the largest MMA promotion company in Romania. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of FTD Facts. My name is Leroy Kenton, and in this episode, I'm going to be bringing you 10 surprising facts about Andrew Tate that you probably didn't know. Some of them you may have known, but I'm here to just fill you in on all the details in case you didn't know. Now you're going to know. Let's jump in at fact number 10. Let's look at his early life. Andrew Tate, that's actually not his full name. He was born Emery Andrew Tate III, and he was born on December 1st, 1986 in Washington, D.C. in the United States. Notably, he is the son of the late American international master of chess, Emery Andrew Tate Jr., and also Andrew Tate has a brother, Tristan Tate, and a sister named Janine Tate. He comes from African American and English-Scottish descent, and he moved back to the UK with his mother at the age of 10 years old, and he spent the rest of his childhood there. However, there is not much information available about his mother. Growing up, Andrew Tate, he had a job moving 80-pound boxes of frozen fish to nearby markets, starting at 5 a.m. in the morning. For fact number 9, Andrew Tate also holds various records. He started his professional kickboxing career back in 2009, and he scored notable victories against super cruiserweight champions Ollie Green and Mo Carbo as a member of the International Sport Karate Association. Tate, he later challenged Paul Randall for a vacant ISCA English kickboxing lightweight title, and he won the bout by stoppage in the 5th round. Also, that victory helped him secure the first belt of his career. He later won his second belt by winning the ISCA World Full Contact Light Cruiserweight Championship in 2013. In fact, in the bout that took place in France, allowed Andrew Tate to also avenge his loss to Vincent Petitjean in 2011. He also had several notable victories outside of these in the sport. Next up, let's look at fact number 8, his net worth. How much money is this guy bringing in? What's he worth? Well, we learned through a deleted tweet from December 2nd, 2022, where Andrew Tate revealed that his net worth is around $710 million. Of course, he's huge on social media, and he brings in millions of dollars every single year. Andrew Tate, he claimed that he made his first million at age 27, and he made 100 million by the time he turned 31. Now, in a conversation with Piers Morgan, he did say that he's probably at $1 billion by now in terms of net worth, but who really knows because net worth is so hard to calculate. There's so much speculation there. But what we do know is that he's really, really rich. On to number 7, how did he get so rich? Okay. Andrew Tate, he also stated that the sport of kickboxing did not make him rich at all, even though he was fairly successful in the sport of kickboxing. But in fact, the majority of his income came from multiple businesses that he owned. Tate, he owns a few casinos with his brother in Romania, and he also ran a course called Hustlers University where he hoped to teach students how to make money. Well over 100,000 students have enrolled themselves in the course. He also had a cam girls company as well as various other business ventures. After his cancellation though, he rebranded Hustlers University to The Real World, and Tate also makes money from his social media endorsements. So yeah, he has his hands dipped in a whole lot of different things, and that really made him rich. Andrew Tate also is a lover of cars. He's definitely an automobile enthusiast and a supercar aficionado. He has a collection that is worth over $6 million when it comes to cars. The most expensive ride in his collection is a super rare Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport, and it's said to have cost him an insane $4 million. His collection also includes cars like the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera, as well as the Lamborghini Huracan Spider. Another big fact about Andrew Tate is that he actually converted to Islam. Andrew Tate, he was raised Christian and he held membership in the Romanian Orthodox Church for many years. He previously claimed to give 16,000 pounds, which is around 89,000 Romanian leu, to the church on a monthly basis. And he said that the church in Romania is very powerful and I like having church friends, so I give them a lot of money. Now, when a video of him praying at a mosque in Dubai went viral in October of 2022, he announced on his Getter account that he had actually converted to Islam. In at the number 4 spot, is Tate anti-female? So right now you can find many clips of Andrew Tate online. As a matter of fact, on TikTok alone, his videos have racked over 12 billion views. His opinions are often seen as inappropriate, confronting, and just straight up mean at times. Across a number of now viral videos, Tate shares his opinions, which he says are largely taken out of context about women and their relation to men, and that people should really aim to watch his clips in full. That's what he says. But he also has stated that he won't travel in a car if a woman is driving. So he says things like that and people question, is he actually anti-female or is he not? For fact number 3, back in the year 2016, he was actually a guest on the British reality show Big Brother. And Andrew Tate, he came under some scrutiny at that time for certain comments about the LGBT community and another tweet that he made. And there was a video that apparently showed him hitting a woman with a belt that caused him to be kicked off the show after only 6 days. Now, Andrew Tate to this day says that the woman and him both consented to this and they were friends, and yeah, the actions in the video were actually consensual. In the number 2 spot, we got some information about Hustlers University. So this is one of the ways that Andrew Tate monetized his followings, is by starting Hustlers University, which is an online academy aimed at empowering young men. He describes the course as a community where you will have access to stock analysis, crypto analysis, e-commerce, copywriting, freelance opportunities, as well as real estate opportunities, financial planning, affiliate marketing, business management, and a whole lot more. Hustlers University promises to help members get rich quick and become a financially free person. Andrew Tate, he teaches that to be successful, what you ideally want is a mix of 60 to 70% fans and 40 to 30% haters. I guess regardless, you'll have people loving you, you'll have people hating you, but if people are talking about you online, any publicity is good publicity, so they say. I'm going to end this episode off with the most recent fact, and depending on the time that you're watching this may have resolved already. On December 29, 2022, police searched 5 homes based on a search warrant, including Andrew Tate's mansion in Romania. 4 suspects were detained for a period of 24 hours, including Andrew Tate and his brother, and also there was a former policewoman and a 4th unnamed Romanian individual. Officials allege that the suspects recruited and misused 6 women in Ilfov, Romania, and formed a group in early 2021 with the purpose of recruiting, housing, and exploiting women by forcing them to create, I guess, adult-themed content as well as other inappropriate things that were meant to be seen by people on various different websites for a cost. Both the Tate brothers are accused of luring women through the lover boy method by misrepresenting their intentions. So these are definitely big allegations, and we just have to wait and see. Again, at the time of filming this, it has not been resolved yet, but By the time you watch this, it may be resolved. Either way, guys, these are 10 surprising facts about Andrew Tate. Let me know down below in the comment section, what are your thoughts about Andrew Tate, and what are your thoughts about anything presented in this video? If you made it this far, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. Until next time, guys, stay awesome, stay educated. It's always great bringing you the facts, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.